We're going to start to solve equations. Quiet, please. We're solving the equation below, and this one has a little bit of everything in it. The only thing it doesn't have is variables on both sides. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line straight down through our equal sign. So we're going to look at this, and we know that we have parentheses. So if we have parentheses, then all we have to do is start by distributing. So we're going to take 2 times 2y, and we get 4y. Then we take 2 times positive 4, and we get positive 8. Then I'm going to bring down my minus y equals 14. Now, the situation here is that I have a family of y's here, but I also have numbers, so we're going to have to put them together. So I'm going to write y, and I'm going to write numbers, and I'm going to go from left to right. So this is my first term right there. It's a 4y, but what kind of a 4 is it, Isaiah? It is a positive 4y. Then I've got my second term is right here. What is that second term, Imson? It's a positive 8. Then I've got my third term right here, and what is that, Raiden? It's a negative, and I'm going to go ahead and put a 1y there so we don't have any confusion. So on Desmos, you can put in 4 minus 1, which is 3y plus 8. And I'm going to come right back here and write it down because I put those terms together. Okay? Now, I've got 3y plus 8 equals 14. What do I need to do first, Janiyah? What's my first move here to start solving?
Oh, mine. 8 minus 14, yeah.
We're going to subtract 8 from each side. Okay? So we've got 3y equals, what is 14 minus 8, please? 6. It is 6, Miss Benson. You did a very nice job. Mr. Majors, we'll go ahead and let you be next. What's my next move in solving this?
Divided by 3.
On both sides. Exactly.
That gives you 2.
So that gives you y equals 2. Now, I need everybody to look at Desmos. Miles fell down. It's okay.
Ouch.
I need everybody to look at Desmos. It's very important. When you look at an equation and there are variables just on one side of the equal sign, you're only going to need 2 lines in Desmos to check it. So if you want to, you can put in the y equals 2 first. Then you go to the next line and you put in everything else. So I've got 2 parentheses 2y plus 4 close parentheses minus y. And when you put that in on the second line, Tori, it gives you 14, which is what it's matching right here. Okay? So it's very important that if you have variables on one side of the equation only, you only need 2 lines to check it. When you have variables on both sides, you're going to need 3 lines to check it. Okay? So I'm not sure how many equations there were. Let me check and see if there's another one. Nope, there's not. So let's go ahead and